Hello there. Today we are making roasted Brussels sprouts on the grill.
Big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2024. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
I've taken a bag of Brussels out. I cut off the tops where they attach to their stalk. I rinsed them very well and put them in this bowl. I don't smell any veggie wash. I always wash my veggies with veggie wash and then I rinse them very well. I'm going to put on my disposable food grade gloves here because I'm going to mix them by hand.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Now that they're all washed and I drained them, I'm going to add some olive oil to them, onion powder, and granulated garlic. Mix them up with my hands, put them in a fry pan, a large fry pan that can go on the grill, and I will put it on the grill till they're nice and fork tender. When you first try them, they're a little bitter. I'm trying to get my glove on here. Some people put them with bacon fat. Some people put butter on them. I'm just going to keep them simple with some garlic and onion powder. This way, if the meat has a flavor, I don't have to worry about it. So I have olive oil here. Let me take the baggie off that we keep on top. And I have a pourer on here. So I'm going to turn the bottle sideways so the pourer can fill. I'm only using one hand because I don't want to use the hand that I'm going to mix it with. And I'll just let the oil go. So this is about 2 tablespoons I'll be putting in there. And then I'll just mix them up. So what I'm doing is coating them with some oil. And then the pan's gonna have a little oil in it too. So you don't want too much oil. These will cook on the grill with no lid on the fry pan, because I want the smoky flavor. So now I'm going to open one of these here. And I like about a teaspoon. Let me make sure that's the whole side. I like about a teaspoon of the onion and a teaspoon of the garlic. This one smells like garlic. And I'm just going to shake it. I'm not measuring this. After a while, after you do it a lot, you won't measure much either. And I can smell the garlic. So that's good there. I'm gonna leave the top up in case I want to use some more. And then I will just find the whole side. Because these have a split cap. And one side's open and the other side has holes. So, yeah, that feels like, let me check the other side just to be sure. Here's my holes. So I'm going to sprinkle a little of this in there. There. I can feel it on the Brussels. Normally, I would cut up fresh onion, fresh garlic, but I'm not doing that in this case. I think I'd like a little more oil. That's about it. So I'm not even gonna let the thing fill up. There. And that's it. I will not put any salt or pepper on it. I will wait till they cook. I don't really like to use salt because everything you use has salt. We buy salted butter because non-salted is disgusting. I think it's a waste of money. So I like to get salt in other ways. This way, when you have guests over, they don't think your food is disgusting and bland. If you're not supposed to eat salt because you may have high blood pressure or other medical problems, then it's best to tell the person ahead of time if you're going to their house to eat. This way they can make exceptions for you. So I think that is pretty good. Smells wonderful. I'm going to find a small fry pan to put this in and get it ready for the grill. I grabbed a fry pan here and I'm filling it with the Brussels. It's got a little oil in there. My hands have seasoning on it. So it's probably got a little oil, onion, and garlic in there. I'm just taking them out with my hands. That's why I love these gloves, because I like to work with my hands. I think you get 1,000 in the box, so that's 500 pairs. 500 pairs. And I've had them a while. There. So now that one's done. Okay, we'll put it out on the grill and see how it works out.
The Brussels sprouts are on the grill.
The Brussels sprouts are coming along nicely. They're just about there. I forgot to mention, I always put steam in there so the vegetables can soften a little. Then after the water evaporates, it will start roasting. Along with the oil that's in the pan, I put water in it before it went out on the grill, which was a 1/4 cup. I like them where they're fork tender, so that's what I do. They smell lovely. I'm getting some smells here. They'll be just about ready soon. I don't use a talking thermometer on these. I just stick a fork in, and once it's tender, I know it's done. Here are the roasted Brussels sprouts, hot off the grill. I'm going to stick a fork in one and show you. There it is there. They're a little crispy, so I know they're roasted and done. Now I'm gonna try one. Delicious. Want some? Delicious. You can taste the garlic, and you can taste a little bit of the oil. And that's it, it's plain. So we'll go with any mixed meal that you make. So if you have a roast or a chicken and it's full of seasonings, you just make them plain with a little garlic, onion, and oil. They roasted lovely. Delicious. And you can either leave them whole or you can cut them in half. So it depends on you. But they are wonderful and delicious, and I can't wait to sit down and eat them. So I'm going to sign off. Thank you for joining me while we roasted these Brussels sprouts. Bon appetit, and I'll see you next time.
Rolling credits appear in big bold white text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, Mountain Stream Video, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.